trying coffee again. Not as bad this time, but I think we're going to the beach today, so that's going to be really fun. Bug just We're going to the beach now. We've got a cheeseburger, a spicy chicken burger, and chicken nuggets. Slowly, but it's like a steady kind of. We've been in line for about 15 minutes now, and it sucks.
Uh-oh, he's moving, he's moving!
There's a copper coming. This is my girlfriend Tessa. Say hi, Tessa.
Hi, Tessa.
And we're waiting in line for the ferry. So we're gonna do a Q&A of relationship questions.
If you can meet anyone in the world alive or dead, who would it be?
I want to meet Travis
Look,
Barker.
Up here. Oh, I was way off.
Who do you think?
Make me a
Billy
picture.
Joe.
Yeah.
I'd rather meet Travis Barker. I've been thinking about roaming for like days.
What does friendship look like to you? Colby and Braden.
Colby and Braden.
What do you consider your greatest weakness to be? Monster.
No.
Yeah.
Monster and Red Bull recently.
What's my greatest weakness?
Me.
No. I'd say Tootsie Rolls right now.
Tootsie Rolls.
How do you think others perceive you when you meet them for the first time?
Everyone always thought I was a stoner.
I didn't like you. Like, at all.
Dream that I haven't told anybody about
Yeah.
until I tell everyone my dream. Sir.
It's okay, you can go in this lane. It says it's a turn only lane.
Oh.
I don't know what mine is.
No line cutters.
It's like, I really want to be a model still. Like, I've always wanted to be Victoria's Secret model. That's never gonna happen.
Get your little wings.
I want my wings so bad. If you could eat anything at all right now, what would you choose?
If I could what?
Eat anything, like
Eat anything?
like your diet wouldn't be ruined or anything. What would you eat? Because I have to think about this too.
I get that Buffalo Ranch chicken strip sandwich from Whataburger, like 3 of them.
I don't know. I think I'd get Chick-fil-A, honestly. With a large Oreo shake.
53 questions to ask that would change your relationship. I'll ask them this time.
No, you're driving.
We're not even moving.
Looks like a donut.
Smiley face.
What was your first impression of me?
This didn't make me sound like a really bad person, but I had a girlfriend at the time, and
You hated me.
no, I thought you were really cute, and you were wearing like these skinny jeans. I was like, she's probably like one of those little scene girls or something, you know? And you were just so cute.
I so would.
You had the jacket, you know, and you were like holding the, like that, yeah. I think that was the first time I saw you
This is
ever.
how it always was. I was like,
Same though, when I had my long hair.
what did you like?
No, what was your first impression of me? Let's hear that.
I really didn't like you. I thought you were a weirdo because you never talked to me in your life. And you messaged me on Facebook. You're like, I got a cat. And I was like, congratulations. And I like unfriended you so
It was
fast.
Franklin, the one you
I
saw
thought you
in
were some
yesterday's
like old
vlog.
person. Because I never heard that name in my life. And Jared's like, oh, this is Tyler. And I was like, oh. I got really uncomfortable.
Somebody was waving. I was getting ready to wave back.
I didn't like you. I still don't like you. Do you still like what you loved about your partner? You said my. Oh my god, I'm gonna get sunburned. Tyler, I'm getting red. We're not even there
I
yet.
know. What time did we leave the house?
We left at 12:30, and it's almost 2.
It was not 12:30 when
Yes,
we
it
left.
was. Yes, it was.
You didn't get to my house until like 12:15.
No,
and
actually,
then
I got there at freaking 12.
Yes.
I don't like that. You're really nervous. Like, what if that thing opens?
It won't.
No, that's close enough, sir. That's close enough.
Sorry, I'm looking.
How pretty the water is.
We're finally on the ferry after almost an hour of waiting in line
Oh my god.
for like a 5-minute trip across the water.
Yes, it does. My stomach thinks that it's supposed to be like. Look, she looks freaking pregnant. She's so fat.
So we just finished eating at this little trail.
No,
No, you ate a burger. You had a bite of my burger.
I had lemons.
And now we're gonna head to the beach. You wanna do that thing where you put your hand over the thing? Tessa left her sunglasses on the car and they fell off the car. Got them.
She runs underwater with a boulder to do her like. I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
After waiting for the ferry line and for about an hour, we got to the beach, spent about 2.5 hours there, get in the car and the AC didn't work. So that was a lovely 1-hour ride home with no AC. But now we're home. That's the end of our beach day. Like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about these videos, because I need some feedback, whether they suck or not. Thank you.